How to know if someone has seen your messages on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view your chat list. Open any chat from the list. Then, tap and hold any message from the chat. A menu like this will appear. Select the option Info from this menu. Then, you'll be taken to this page. If you see double blue ticks, it means that the recipient have seen or read your messages. And if it only shows double tick, that means the message has been delivered to the recipient, which is yet to be seen. This is the quickest way to know if the messages has been read. You can also get a detailed information when the message has been delivered or when it was seen in this page. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and know if someone has seen your messages on WhatsApp.